This is a model at 1 to 1,000 scale of an imaginary city with real-world landmarks, as well as fictional buildings. The World Trade Center Twin Towers here are made of Lego cardstock and double-sided tape. For some reason, the exterior section around 72nd floor to 83rd floor of South Towers, West Side, and multiple locations of both towers are detaching or buckling outward, like the Willis Tower in the movie Rampage. This is the South Tower to World Trade Center. Before making the repairs, the first step is finding the sections and assessing the degree of detachment. A toothpick is used to gently press on the buckling section for the assessment, without impacting the printed facade on the cardstock. This is around 36th floor to 42nd floor. The buckling seems to happen around the base, as well as the mechanical floors at 1/3 and 2/3 of the height. Using Wellbond, a universal adhesive, toothpicks are used to apply the adhesive between the double-sided tape and cardstock. Only a small amount of adhesive is applied to prevent oversaturating the cardstock and affecting the printed facade. While applying the adhesive with toothpicks, it's ideal to not impact the sections where the adhesion is secure. On the other side, the detachment is more extensive, but the buckling is minimal, so the gap offers not too much space for the toothpicks. Speaking of World Trade Center brings to mind Come From Away, which is a musical performance based on heartwarming real stories on and beyond September 11th, when after the Federal Aviation Administration closed the United States airspace, 38 international airplanes carrying 6,579 passengers and crew, as well as 12 dogs, 5 cats, and 2 endangered bonobo apes suddenly landed in the small Canadian town of Gander that willingly provided generous care and hospitality to all those who come from away. Now is time to repair the North Tower. The buckling is minor, so a thin needle is more suitable to apply the adhesive. The model of Bank of Manhattan at 40 Wall Street is used as a weight. In the background is the Woolworth Building, which will be used as a weight too. Other models under construction include the Egyptian Pyramid of Khafre, Willis Tower, and Citigroup Center. Future ideas include fictional designs that are inspired by SimCity, Doom 2, and Resident Evil. The repairs are now complete.